Hello everyone, hope you are doing very well. In our previous lecture, we have studied about how to disable, create, edit and delete from the views of that particular model in our Odoo 19 for our custom module. In today's lecture, we will be studying how to add a widget known as badge in Odoo 19 for our custom module called status. What I mean to say is when I go to the sales module and open quotation or any of the thing, you can see here whatever the status is there of this particular record. This record has quotation state, so it shows here status as quotation, and if it is sell order, it is shown as sell order. So how can we apply such type of functionality in our custom module? Let's see. First of all, let's go to the code. Here, first thing we need to do is add in our book view. We need to add the status field. So I will simply add here at last field state. Yes, it is the state here. Simply adding, and I am currently removing the create and delete. So after adding the field, I'll simply show you what happened. I'll restart the server, go to the apps, upgrade my module. After upgrading my module, go to the library management and see currently I can see here status is shown, but it is not same as the sales module. See, in here sales module it is coming like this, but we are just getting the name of that particular state. So how can we improve on this? We can improve by adding a widget known as badge. Let's see. Now go to the code. I'll just add here a widget is equals to badge. After adding widget, we simply restart the server, go to the apps, upgrade our module, then library management. See, now you can see there is similar to the sales module tag type. Status is shown in the tag type. If I just remove it, but still you can see the color of the status are all the same, while in the sales module here the color of the status is changed as per the state. So how can we apply color to the particular state in list view of the badge widget? It is very simple. It is similar to like we have added color to this particular record. Same functionality we need to add for this particular field as well. What I'll do, I'll simply go to the code. Here, as you can see, I have already added in the list view decoration success and decoration danger with a certain condition. I'll simply copy that and paste it in the our field. What it will do, if the status is available, then it will show in green color. If it is in lost state, it will show in red color, and if it in draft state, it will show as white color. Now I'll simply restart my server, go to the apps, upgrade my module. After upgrading module, let's go to our module. See, now you can see tags as per the condition. So if it is unavailable, it is shown in green color as a tag, and if it is draft state, it is shown as plain white because we have not added any of the condition here. So I hope this small topic had been understood by you. So let me summarize this today's topic. In order to add status like sales module here in the list view as a tag type, all you need to do is go to the code, add the field status in or state whatever your name is in the list view. After adding the list view, you need to add a widget known as badge. After adding that widget, you will be able to see this particular type of status. But if you want to add color to your particular status, you need to add the condition. Where to add the condition? You simply need to add the condition in this particular field as here I have shown here. So that's it for today, guys. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Till then, thanks for watching.